Welcome guys, today I have a Parade haul. So I initially heard about Parade from Sarah Dunk, who is a YouTuber. I did some research and found out that they're a sustainable underwear brand and they donate 1% of their profits to Planned Parenthood, which is an amazing thing. So I have been searching for some sustainable underwear now for some time, but I never purchased any due to the price point. Most sustainable underwear brands I found have their underwear from like $20 and up, and for underwear, while it is sustainable, that was a little too much for me. But when I found out that Parade's price point was like between $10 and $20, I thought, wow, this is amazing. They're sustainable. Not only do they support Planned Parenthood, their prices are great. Let me try this place out. Parade also has a variety of underwear packs. I believe they can either come in like 4 or 6 underwears. While I was interested in purchasing this, I thought it'd be better, at least for me, to get individual underwears, ones that I'm actually going to like and wear, rather than getting a pack and only wearing like 3 out of the 5 that I purchased. So when I was at checkout purchasing my items, they actually had an option where you could add a mystery underwear to your cart at a discounted price, which I did, so I'm hoping it's an underwear I'm going to really like. I just looked on their website and actually said the bag was 100% compostable, so that's pretty dang amazing. Alright, so let's open this up. They even came individually packaged. That's pretty amazing. Oh, and little stickers too. That's awesome. Cool. No order number. No order details. So this is gonna be a surprise. I honestly can't remember everything I ordered. So it looks like I ordered 7 underwear, including the mystery underwear. Alright, so let's open this one. Oh, that's really cool. It even says on the bag, it says, "This bag is not a toy and it biodegrades in 300 days. It's pretty nice. So here is the first underwear I purchased. Very cute. And it actually has their phone number on the underwear. So here's the second underwear I purchased. It's just nice and see-through. Here's the third one. You're gonna sit behind me. Here's the fourth one. Here's the fifth underwear I purchased. this is the underwear that I was most excited to get. Isn't it cute? It's like see-through and it has these little sprinkles sewn into them. This one is my favorite for sure. And this must be my mystery underwear I got. I'm actually pretty glad they didn't send me a thong. I typically don't like thongs, so I probably wouldn't have worn it. But this one I would definitely wear, and it's actually a really pretty blue color. Do you have this on everything, sir? So that was my Parade underwear order. I will definitely be repurchasing from them. I love that they're sustainable. I love that they're on the more affordable side of sustainability. And I love that they donate 1% of their profits to Planned Parenthood. What's not to like about them? Here's my cat tax for today. Thanks for watching.